making the Luchow's most favorite meal ever, and it's white chicken chili. And so I thought you might want to follow along because maybe you want to make it in your own house. So the first thing we're going to start off with is I'm going to combine a whole bunch of some really great spices. So I'm going to tip this so you can see. So we are going to add some cumin, which is about 1 teaspoon. I never measure exactly because I like it a little bit spicy. We're going to add about a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add a half a teaspoon of pepper. And about 3/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. I'll take the top off of that one. Looks good. And half a teaspoon of chili powder. We'll use this one. And a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which it looks like I might not have that one, so we'll have to get that in a minute. Let's grab that one out of my cabinet. Here we go. We need a half a teaspoon of that. Oh, sorry, a 1/4. We don't want to burn our tongues. And a whole bunch of cilantro. So much that I'm going to take this cap right off. Whoop. Okay, a whole bunch of cilantro. There we go. And then finally, because I like it spicy, we're going to add some crushed red peppers. So about that much. And we're going to put this aside. Okay, we're going to start adding stuff to our pot. And so in our pot, I'm going to turn on the heat nice and high. I'm going to move my phone, which I don't need anymore. We're going to add some avocado oil. And then a whole bunch of chicken. Look how much chicken I put in there. That is a lot of chicken. I already cut it. My hands are washed. It's going in. So on top of all of that, we're going to add this great mixture of spices. So I'm going to stir it up. So while that chicken and all those spices have been cooking up there, I have been cutting up some onion and opening up some cans. So we're going to be adding in a few minutes some cannelloni beans and some great northern beans. We're going to be adding some mild chili peppers and some hot chili peppers into our mix. So some mild and some hot, yum. And lots of onion. Remember, my friends, that while you're cooking these days and as you're touching things that are coming from the grocery store, you wash your hands before you eat anything, because we just don't know what kind of germs are out there right now. So as I pour in my chili peppers, I'm going to put this can aside. I'm not going to touch it again. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to put this can aside. And you can hear my water running because I'm going to go right to the sink, wash my hands with some soap and water. And grab my towel, dry them off. Okay, I'm going to mix those chili peppers in here. You can hear my dogs going crazy. And the next thing we're going to put in here is a whole bunch of onion, because I don't know about you, I like onion in my chili. So we're going to put all this onion in there. I'm going to go like this, get the rest of it. My dogs are obviously excited about something that's outside. There we go. We're going to let this simmer for a few minutes. Alright, so that chicken and onion and chili peppers have been cooking for a while. The chicken's just about cooked all the way through. And now comes the muscle work. So I'm going to put this aside. We're going to grab our culinary scissors and we are just going to cut all of that chicken into really small pieces because we like our chili with little pieces, not big chunks. It makes it too difficult to eat. So the chicken is all cut up into little tiny pieces. The next thing that we're going to add is going to be some chicken broth. So we have this size container. It's 1 quart. We already used some for another recipe earlier in the week, so we have about 3 cups in here. So we're going to pour all 3 cups into our chili. There we go. We're also going to add our 2 cans of beans that I showed you earlier. So they're all washed and cleaned. We're going to add a whole bag of frozen corn. Remember, this is something that came from the grocery store. Lots of people have touched it, so I'm going to be washing my hands again. There we go. Okay, we're going to stir that up. Finally, goodness, I made a big pot of chili. Might have to add some more chicken broth. Finally, what we're going to add is about 8 ounces of cream cheese. So this is a 16-ounce package. So we're going to add about half of this. So I'm just going to open it up and grab myself a spoon. I'm going to put this big 2 big wallops of cream cheese in there. Takes a little bit of the heat out. And we're going to add a little bit of half and half. About a 1/4 cup. Again, I don't measure. Now we're going to stir that around. The cream cheese is going to just sit. I'm going to push it down a little bit because it's not hot right now because I've added all those cold ingredients. We're going to put the pot on and we're going to let it simmer for probably about 30 minutes to an hour. See you later. And there you have it. Delicious white chicken chili. So good.